Pudsley, Pudsley, Pudsley.
I love the Boys and Girls Clubs because they make you believe that you can make it to the big leagues.
Big leagues or what? I know. Yes, again.
Ralph, I just had a meeting with the painter, and they're kind of upset. They're thirsty.
Let Pugsley show it. Yeah. He smells. She smells something.
In the green. He's in awkward stances since the very first hole, second shot.
Maggie also. Maggie wanted also.
Come on, Maggie.
You want also with your papa's belly? Hmm? Oh, that's from last week. Whose children are they? Now we get quiet. That's my Pugsley boy riding in a truck. That's my pug. Look at that. Wow, so many.
Hold it steady.
Oh, there's so many.
Just remember, hold it steady.
I know, still many. Just wait. Where are the 3 cars? Oh, he can. Wow! He can sit so good. Ah. I did not even hold him. Because he is sitting so flat. That's how the pug, he is so. Puggy boy. Hold on.
Just let him go.
No, he don't even move. He have a tight grip on it.
Animals must be caught.
Did you wear your seatbelt? You're gonna be fine if you don't have a seatbelt, Pugs. Wow, he is so calm if he can see the surroundings.
It's enjoying the ride.
Uh-huh. Because like if he's in the bottom, he's not aware where he is.
So confined.
Yeah.
Gets excited about it.
Mm-hmm. Wow. How he is so calm there. And he knows that he's scared also, by the movement, so he hold tight. He's not a dumb doggy.
What? It goes against everything I've been saying all these years. That's our car.
Really? Does our car sing with us?
Except for the toolboxes. Yard, nice. Alright, folks, home stretch.
How's the joyride of the Pugsley boy? How is the joyride of the pug? How is the joyride of this good boy? Hold on, we are going to
Let's
be.
watch him roll.
Wow, he's holding on. Ah, so that's what he's doing. He pushed one back of his legs. I told you he's not. Yeah.
He's learning.
The flip goes again. Ay. I will not say because I'm doing video vlogging.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Arrive at home safe. How is the joyride of my boy?
I'll come and get you, boy.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
How is the joyride? How is the joyride of the Paggy?